There. Let's move you to Pretoria now, where Patriotic Alliance leader Gayton McKenzie will today address the party's final election rally at the Times Square Sunbet Arena, Waterkloof Glen. Now, according to the party, the program is dedicated to South Africans who have fallen victim to crime at the hands of illegal foreigners. Here's SABC News reporter Ntlantla Khatlane with the story, as well as Tabiso Blackie, who are covering the story for us. So, Ntlantla, talk to us about the PA there holding its final rally in Tshwane. What have you seen on the ground so far?
Well, a very good day indeed. It's coming to you right here from the Sunbet Arena, where the Patriotic Alliance is set to hold its final rally ahead of this much anticipated elections. This is one of the parties that, a lot of South Africans would want to know how they're going to, fan out in terms of the elections, how much share of the 27 million people that have, of more than 27 million people that have, registered to vote, in terms of numbers, how much are they going to get? There's a political party since its establishment. I mean, it's a decade old. Quite to be precise, it's just 11 years old. If you remember, their journey in this campaign trail has been one of the interesting, when they celebrated 10 years, they struggled to fill Orlando Stadium, but in Cape Town, they managed, to, really make the DA uncomfortable. But with me here, I'm with a couple of people who's just going to tell us, are they confident with regards to how the party is going to fan out in the election? Are you confident, ma'am?
Well, you can see the people that have been coming in here. We're very confident that this is our year, our time. It's about time. Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm going to bring another member here. Who's just going to tell us. You said earlier when you had a conversation that, you're going to be voting for PA. Before you didn't vote for them. Who did you vote for, and why are you going to be voting for the PA?
So I previously voted for the DA. But now I'm going to be voting for Patriotic Alliance because Gayton McKenzie, through the Patriotic Alliance, has brought unity in South Africa. All the races are now in South Africa. So I believe in that case that's a win.
Well, thank you so much. Another lady is just going to say, Mama, you said that it will be the first time you vote for the PA. Who did you vote for, and why would you be voting for the PA?
I will not divulge who I voted for before, but I'm definitely voting for the PA this time because for the first time in a long time, somebody is standing for the colored communities, and we have been demarginalized for very long, and we're standing up for ourselves.
Thank you so much. You heard them, members of the Patriotic Alliance here, quite confident that the party is going to do well come the election day, but that remains to be seen. I mean, this, like I said earlier, this is one of the party that has made the official opposition party, the DA, very uncomfortable, especially in the Western Cape. But I guess now, as time goes, we'll have to wait to see how they're going to perform in this upcoming election. With that being said, it's back to you in studio.